Poly Vegan fam, this is Ofa, and today we're making one of my faves, chia pudding with coconut milk. Delicious! Now let's get right into our recipe. The ratio that I use about 3 tablespoons of chia seeds to about 3/4 of a cup of a plant-based milk. Now I'm poly, and it'd be criminal if I did not use coconut milk. But trust me guys, coconut milk is the best to use with this. Well, that's just my preference, but you can use any plant-based milk that you prefer, and you just go ahead and play around with the ratio. If you like it a little thicker, you can use a little less milk. If you like a little thinner, you can use a little more, but that's about it. You just gotta add the liquid, stir it up, make sure all those seeds are coated, and then set it aside for about 10-15 minutes, and it'll get really gelatinous and thick. It'll kind of be like the texture of a tapioca pudding, but it is delicious guys. Trust me, you will love this. And we're going to sweeten it up with some maple syrup. That's my sweetener of choice. I love the maple syrup because it gives it kind of a vanilla taste as well, but you can use whatever sweetener you have, honey or maple syrup like I have, date syrup, coconut sugar. Just try to stay away from the white sugar because it's not really that good for you or for your immune system. But yeah, that's about it. Then you can add whatever toppings you'd like. And ta-da! Here we go. Let's make some chia pudding. Truthfully guys, on its own it's bomb, but I'm gonna be a little fancy today because you guys are here. So I'm gonna throw some berries in one, and I'm gonna throw some bananas and nuts in the other. That's it guys. Trust me, you will like this, especially with the coconut milk. It's gonna be delicious. I'm going to use a sweetener called date syrup, and really it's just some dates that they threw in a blender and added some water and blended up really good and made a syrup out of it, and it's pretty sweet and it's good too. A lot better for you than, of course, that white sugar we were talking about earlier. But there you go. You have some pretty tasty puddings, and the possibilities are endless really. You can put whatever you want on top, or you can just eat it plain. Okay, let's taste it. I know I've tasted this many times, but it's always exciting to taste something that's really good. Trust me, that thumbs up is a real thumbs up. It was delicious. I had to film really early in the morning because I want to get that good lighting, and I didn't brush my hair. I didn't want to scare you guys and put myself on camera, but trust me, it was yummy. You have to try this. So here's the brand that I use. I get it from Costco. It's not that expensive and it lasts a long time. I usually store mine in the freezer in a Ziploc bag after I open it, and it lasts a pretty long time. Now, chia has lots of fiber. It has lots of protein. It has omega-3 fatty acids, so it's really good for your brain. It has antioxidants. It has a lot of things. It's good for diabetes, good for lowering your blood pressure, lowering your cholesterol. It's good for everything actually, and there's nothing chia can't do. Actually, chia can't save you. Only Jesus can do that, and we need Jesus more than we need chia, but chia is good for you nonetheless. As we do a quick overview of the ingredients that we use for our recipe today, wanted to give a quick shout out to Lisiate Beleketti, one of our viewers who tried one of our yummy green smoothies. Hope you can try our chia pudding. Let us know how it tastes, and remember, all things are possible through Christ who gives you the strength. We're praying for you, Siate. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and remember, no matter where you are in your journey, there is always room for you at our table, right here at Polly Vegan Kitchen.